Let's talk about lupin flour. Is it keto friendly? Now, lupin flour comes from the lupin bean, which is a legume very similar to peanut. It's GMO free. It has a neutral taste to a very slight bitter taste. It has great texture. It's very similar to other flours. It's been consumed for a very long time in certain parts of the world, loaded with antioxidants, especially carotenoids, and it's very low on the glycemic index. Let's take a look at the carbohydrates. So in 1/4 of a cup, for Dennis who's watching, it's 31.25 grams, okay? That's 12 carbs. Now check this out. Guess how many fibers it has? 11 grams, which gives us only 1 gram net carb. So that's pretty low in 1/4 of a cup. And what's very unique about this is that it's void of starch. So you could use it in making pasta, bread, keto-friendly cookies, things like that. And I'll put some recipes down below. It has 2 grams of fat. It has 12 grams of protein, so it's pretty high in protein. It has B1, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, calcium. Now, it does have some lectins and phytic acid for those people that are sensitive. You may have an issue, but for most people, it should be totally okay. So to answer the question, is lupin flour keto-friendly? Well, absolutely, because it only has 1 carb. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call. But I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.